If you took a break from your responsibilities, how long would it take for your project to dismantle? A day? A week? A month? A year, or your lifetime? It's when you answer to most invites is, "I'm busy." It's when you can't sleep at night until you get it right. It's when your responsibilities are nothing without you. It's when what you do has not scaled for years. It's when no one understands the way that you do. It's when you can't take a day off. It's what I call the lack of delegation. If you're going to be a leader that will make a mark, leave a legacy, and create more leaders, you must be willing to delegate. You need to understand that rest is just as much as a method of success as working. But how do you rest if everything is dependent on you? Being a great leader is not everything falling apart because you took a day off or a week off. True leadership is having your idea remain alive even in your absence. That's what true leadership is all about. You see, a job begins when you know what to do, but leadership begins when you know what not to do. The best part about it is when you let others do part of your work, you create more leaders like you. It's possible that you can do a lot of things, but you can't do them all at once. You need to decide if you're loyal to your dream or your ego. Nothing is scalable until it can be delegated. The McDonald brothers grew one of the largest fast food chains by doing everything on their own. They allowed others to do the things they shouldn't have been doing in order to do the things they should have been doing. Delegation creates growth. A. Learn to let go. If you're emotionally attached to everything you do, it'll make it hard for you to let go. Learn to build something bigger than you. B. Learn how to delegate. There are people who can take what you do to a whole new level. C. Learn how to trust others with your work. You may always lose a personal touch to work when using others, but over time, it'll all be worthy. Great leaders delegate.